Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be talking about 10 most dangerous countries in the world. Every year, the Institute for Economics and Peace releases a Global Peace Index report that measures how dangerous or safe a nation is. It is based on 23 different indicators, which includes deaths from internal conflict, murder rates, political terror, etc. It evaluates total 163 countries that accounts for over 99% of the world's population in three different areas, which are number 1, safety and security, second, ongoing conflict, lastly, militarization. So, starting from the last, the 10th rank belongs to Russia. Reasons are high militarization and highest per capita rates of weapon exports. 9th rank belongs to Democratic Republic of Congo. The reasons are violent protests around the country and highest crime rates. 8th rank belongs to Libya. Reasons are civil unrest, kidnapping, armed conflict and terrorism. 7th is Central African Republic. The reasons are conflict between Seleka rebels and anti-Balaka militia continues, due to which 6,20,000 people has been displaced internally. 6. Somalia. Reasons are absence of police forces and high kidnapping risk with terror attacks. Number 5 belongs to Iraq. Reasons are both internal and external conflicts are present in the country. Secondly, terror attacks which continues to capture and kill civilians as well as armed forces. The 4th rank belongs to Yemen. Reasons are civil war which made the country to face the world's worst humanitarian crisis according to the United Nations. Number 3, South Sudan. Reasons are political conflicts and widespread crimes. Also, armed conflict which exists between the government and the opposition groups. Number 2 is Syria. Reasons are civil war which is going on since March 2011. The conflict has been termed as the second deadliest war of 21st century. And the first rank belongs to Afghanistan because of deadly attacks from Taliban and highest number of deaths, which makes Afghanistan tops the list. Thank you for watching our video. See you in the next one.